Joe Beermaster the Car Master here. Today we have a 16 Subaru Outback. This goes for most models. I'm going to show you how to get this handle out. We got one apart over there, and I'm going to show you. It's a little tricky. You're going to have a problem. You can get the cap out, but this is the part that's tricky. I'm going to show you a little trick. So you take this little cap off here, and there's a little screw in there. And what is it, a hex head or a screwdriver?
Torx, 30.
30 Torx. And the cap will come out, and then the cap comes off first, but then there's a lock back there that comes out. Here's the replacement door, and there is the Torx right there,
30.
number 30. And then when you slide the handle out, you want to slide it towards the back of the door, and it usually the handle will come out, but in this case it won't, because this is old school. It's got this wire harness connection here, and you must disconnect that before this will come out. That's the trick. If you're an auto body professional, you got to take the trim panel off, disconnect this from there, from the handle, then the handle will slide out.